average day for a bird is interacting with people that come into the rescue. We start them off with food and water, obviously, changing their food and water. And then some days they are having the extra of people going in there and changing paper as well. So they get to interact with somebody else that's doing paper. Um, when people are sweeping, they like to take baths. So that's another big plus. And then they come out, like the macaws, the bigger birds that really need to stretch their wings and be active, will come out and sit on the perches, and we, take them out and put them in so everybody gets their chance in the perch room.